In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your orders on Lazada. Whether you're eagerly awaiting a new purchase or just trying to keep tabs on your spending, knowing how to access your order history is an essential skill for any online shopper. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the simple steps you need to follow, ensuring that you'll be able to monitor your orders effortlessly. Let's get started. First, open the Lazada app on your mobile device or visit the Lazada website using a web browser. Once you have the app or website open, you'll need to log into your Lazada account. This is the very first step because your order history is linked directly to your personal account, and logging in will grant you access to all your recent transactions. After successfully logging into your account, focus your attention on the top right corner of the homepage. Here, you should see your account or profile name. Hover your mouse over your profile name if you're using a computer, or tap on it if you're on the app. In the drop-down menu that appears, click on My Orders. This action will direct you to a page that lists all of your recent purchases. On this My Orders page, you'll see a detailed list of every order you've placed recently. This feature is incredibly convenient for tracking what you've ordered and ensuring everything's going smoothly. To delve deeper into the specifics of any order, simply tap or click on the order you'd like to review. Doing so will open a page that shows detailed information about that particular order. Here you will find important details such as the items you purchased, your order number, the payment method used, the shipping address on file, and most crucially, the current delivery status. The status will inform you if your order is still processing, has been shipped, or is already delivered. Should you wish to keep an eye on the movement of your package, Lazada offers a handy track package feature. By tapping on this button, you will receive real-time shipping updates, allowing you to see precisely where your package is on its journey. Tracking your package can help set your mind at ease, knowing exactly when it will reach your doorstep. And there you have it. Checking your orders on Lazada is a breeze with these simple steps. Mastering this process ensures you're always informed about your purchases and can track them without any hassle. Whether you're managing orders for yourself or checking up on gifts for others, knowing how to navigate your order history is a useful skill. Thanks for joining me today, and happy shopping.